So in case anyone is not aware, Mercury is in retrograde. How do I know? Because I got stuck in an elevator. So for those of you who know, who have been subscribed for some time, you know that I work at FedEx part-time as I'm transitioning into real estate. So obviously I'm going to be taking elevators daily. Today, it decided to break down during the retrograde. And I already had coffee today, but I feel totally justified in having another one due to this. With or without the retrograde, I was craving this anyway. Fortado Decaffeinateo. That's so good. Again, the pod that I use is Fortado Decaffeinateo. It's a decaf pod, so I'm not going to be like bouncing off the walls for the rest of the night. So I'm waiting for a shipment from Ceruvia. These syrups were recommended by Natalie Manassian. She's here on YouTube. She's another coffee content creator. Shout out to Natalie. What up, Natalie? It's a company in upstate New York, small farm. I actually live in upstate New York, so that's nice to be able to support that. I'm waiting for them as we speak. I think they'll be here tomorrow. I ordered butter pecan and cookie butter. I went to Starbucks the other day and I picked up some of their classic. A lot of people have mixed reviews on Starbucks Classic. I personally love it. However, hazelnut is no longer available.